Hi, it's Laura and welcome back for an incredible waffle recipe. I mean, who doesn't love a crispy waffle with a perfectly sweet syrup, right? For this recipe, I'm going to use canned peaches because their softer texture is perfect for the inside of the waffle. Plus, we're also going to use them to make our super easy waffle syrup. I'm going to first open my can of Libby's sliced peaches and reserve the liquid. For this part of the recipe, I just need the peaches. While I'm at it, I'm going to finely chop about a cup. Any remaining peaches you can eat or save to make the syrup. Now that these peaches are finely chopped, I'm going to make the batter. To keep things super simple, I'm going to use my blender to combine my wet ingredients. Of course, you can use a bowl to combine the milk, Greek yogurt or sour cream, eggs, melted butter, and vanilla. In a large bowl, I'm going to combine the all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Now I'm going to form a well in the center and add the wet mixture to the dry to form a smooth batter. To the waffle batter, we're going to add our chopped peaches and mix to combine. My waffle iron has been preheating this whole time and it's ready to make these. My waffle iron does not need to be sprayed, but if yours does, for an easy release, now would be the time. Pour enough batter to fill the cavity, and this will vary by waffle iron, and cook until a golden brown crust forms and the waffles are ready. While the waffles are cooking, I'm going to add my reserved peaches and the peaches from a second can into the blender. I'm just going to add about 1/4 of a cup of the fruit juice to the blender and blend until smooth. For a thinner syrup, you may want to add a little bit more fruit juice. Because everyone loves a warm syrup over their waffles, I'm going to transfer this into a small saucepan and heat on low heat. This syrup will keep in your fridge for up to a week, or you could also freeze it for future waffles. It's a win-win. Now that our waffles are ready, let's stack a couple. Add some of the freshly whipped cream and a drizzle of that warm peachy syrup. Take a look at this delicious recipe. The finely chopped canned peaches are perfectly warm, the waffle is crispy on the outside, and that syrup, wow, brings this waffle to another level. Grab the recipe in the description box right below this video, and while you're down there, look left, click on that red subscribe button. I would love to send you a delicious new recipe every single week. See you next time.